Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Chevy Blazer and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. This is just regular refractory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing and fading over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. Before starting the installation, we need to prep the headlight lenses before installing the tint film to the lens. But before that, we need to make sure to lift the film in order to clean the inside of the headlight for this one, because the headlight tint film goes tucked in inside on the top layer of the headlight here. So let's lift the hood and clean both headlight lenses. Once we have the hood lifted, now we can go ahead and start cleaning the headlights. So apply Slip Solution to the headlight, and with the clean microfiber towel, start cleaning the whole entire lens and make sure to remove any contaminants that the lens might have. Okay, so to start with the installation, apply Slip Solution to the headlight lens, a Slip Solution to the tint film. And with this one, you are going to notice it has a cutout on the headlight section here. So that cutout, the top piece will go on the top layer here. The bottom piece will go underneath. They should almost meet together right here on the edge. So it should be something like this. We're going to need to tack down this section first. So apply tack solution on the film and on the lens. Try to align it as close to it as possible. Take your time. Now that we have it aligned, tack it down. Make sure you secure this whole section because we need to stretch the film to reach to this end. So tack down a good portion of the film, that way it doesn't move. Apply tack solution and continue tacking down, and make sure you're also removing any solution behind the film also. And because this is a small area to work with, we recommend applying heat, that way the adhesive on the film activates faster and it helps secure the film to this section here. Apply a little bit of tack solution and just heat all around this section here. And then tack it down little by little. Now work your way little by little to this side, and with this section of the film here, just stretch the film up until you reach this edge right here. Hold it in place, make sure it's still aligned, and start tacking it down. Apply a little bit of tack solution, that way we're able to tack down the film. And the next thing to do is just apply tack solution again and just help remove any small fingers that are appearing on the bottom half and on the top half of the tint. So just apply tack solution, and with your heat gun, start adding heat and bringing down the small fingers. Once you're done, double check and see that there's no water bubbles behind the film. Once you check and everything's good to go, we can move on with the next install. Okay, so now we move on to this piece. So for this section, apply Slip Solution on the lens and on the tint. Place it onto the lens, align it to this edge first, and it's only covering the flat area surface of the lens, not the curve inside. So just make sure you align it right where the edge of the flat surface is about to end. Once you have it aligned, lift the film, apply tack solution, make sure it's aligned, hold it in position and tack it down. Okay, and then just follow along with the rest of the film. Just stretch it a little bit to remove the fingers and tack it down. And you could apply tack solution to help tack down the fingers more faster. And just apply heat around the edge here to remove the fingers, and then you should be good. And say you're done. Okay, now that we finished with the installation, the last thing to do is to post heat. So to post heat, apply tack solution all around the film that we installed. Use your heat gun and a microfiber towel to go all around and start helping the adhesive on the film activate faster, and it prevents from lifting over time. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Chevy Blazer. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.